So I'm Donovan Buckley, I work at Global Research Center. This application that I'll be talking about today was developed in coordination with Arvind Rangarajan when he was at Park. He's now at GE Global Research as well. So, interactive work instruction. The idea behind this application is to focus on the operator. So we hear a lot of talk about smart manufacturing, productivity, and that's where we wanted to focus on the operator level. Provide some tools to the operator to make the operator more productive and make the operator make more smart decisions. So with interactive work instruction, we're using context coming from the machine tool, and then using that context to search through electronic-based work instructions, and so that it can bring up at real time where in that particular work instruction that operator should be that's running a particular operation. So what are the key differentiators? What we have is live connectivity between the controller and the work instruction. We have connection now between dynamic instead of static 3D images. So we create like videos that connected to the operation that I'll show when I go through this demo. Okay, let's talk about the technical requirements. What we need to run this is the MTConnect agent and adapter, Acrobat Pro, a Node Wiki, and we thought about a tablet computer because we're thinking that you're on the shop floor and an operator is managing more than one machines, so you will have a tablet to run this application on. And the deployment strategy is just basically this application connect to more than one machines. So some of the key benefits is that we provide a visual guidance to the operator, reduce operator errors and vouchering time. So if you think about it like an operator who's on the night shift, if something goes wrong and he needs to go and look at a setup, he probably most likely will not go through hundreds of pages of work instructions. He probably is going to use what has as tribal knowledge. But with this interactive work instruction, it gives him the ability at real time to just go directly to that page. So this is a tool to enhance his work when he's there. So for this first one, we're looking at a simulator from MTConnect.org. And here we have different information. Like one set of information we're looking at is if there's a drift in the tool path. So we compute the percentage difference, and so to indicate to the operator that there's some problem with the tool path. The operator can then use this operation information that's shown in the operation box there, which here is an item number. And at real time, you can pull up a video that is linked to that operation and show the operation that is occurring on the machine at the time. So he has an additional tool at his disposal. Also for that operation, like here is operation 3. So if this work instruction example was 100 pages long, then whatever the operation is, which is the context that is coming from the machine tool through MTConnect, it just goes right to the page as we see here. So at real time, the operator can just press a button and it goes right to that work instruction on that page. So we look at another example. We're connecting to a Kuma machine, and this is a live machine that's running in our Greenville facility. And here, so the operation, the context of the operation can be anything. The previous example I showed was item. Here we're looking at tools. So whatever that context is on the work instruction, it is linked directly through some comment in the toolpath program. And here again, the same context is linked to videos that are stored in the database. So the videos can be from different sources. The first example I showed was the video coming from the CAM simulation. The second one is a video coming from Vericut. So it gives the operator an additional tool to use. So once the operation, so here we're looking at tool 7 operation. It goes right there on the operation. And here again, additional information for the operator is looking at different loads on. So if the load on the axis is above a certain threshold, it goes to red. If it's yellow, that means you're getting close to what the threshold is. And another neat feature that we have is what we call an operator wiki, and this is run on Node Wiki, where the operator will also have to his disposal additional information about the machine tool. If something happens and he wants to make notes about a particular operation, then he can add notes to it here. So instead of storing notes on a piece of paper like they usually do, or keep it at tribal knowledge, then they can have it here, so that the operator on the next shift have this information to their disposal and can use it. So this will help definitely with productivity for other operations. So this is a really neat tool that we've had it here, and this is also linked to the operation that is running real time on the machine tool control. So as I said before, this is a tool that's focused on the operator, to support the operator, to make the operator more productive, make the operator more efficient. So bringing in information via MTConnect, have these different modules that the operator can use to make more smart and effective decisions. Thank you.